this is Michael Canales at Pi World in Barcelona. This is where our customers and partners come to show off what they're doing with the Pi system in big data. And I'm talking to Sergio Valencia at EDPR, one of Europe's actually biggest renewable power providers, correct?
Yes, we are in the power generation sector, in wind turbines generation. Wind turbines, we have 7,000 of wind turbines in all of our fleet in the world. We are power installed 12 gigawatts of power.
Now, you've given presentations before at Pi World. What are you talking about this year?
My presentation is regarding the power calculation capability of the Pi system. Internally, in the company, we take the decision that all calculations can do Pi, and what calculation is not possible to do with Pi. And we realize infrastructure will support 800,000 of calculations simultaneously. We check that 90% of our requirement can support by OSIPI tools.
Now, I'm wondering too, when you a large utility like yours, what's the first level of something you do with Pi data? Is it predictive maintenance? Is that like sort of the low-hanging fruit you go for? Or is it really the big game is optimization, getting more wind, more power out of that turbine?
And now, one of the first things we are using is for performance maintenance, to try to detect on the performance operation in turbines and try to support the data to tools that try to detect these underperformance turbines and optimization of the operation maintenance process and the reliability of the wind turbines. We have another project for predictive maintenance, and for the next year we want to include into the Pi system to bring this more accurate information regarding the prediction of the maintenance.
Now, what are some of the next projects you're looking at for, let's say, 2019, 2020 and beyond?
Yes, I mentioned before the predictive maintenance is fundamental for us, is one thing. Another topic is build a data lake, connect the Pi with the data lake. We have a challenge in terms of infrastructure. Support this infrastructure working in cloud are the big challenge we have in the next times.
Well, Sergio, thank you very much.